Sketch your design directly onto the rubber mat. Once you're happy with it, trace over the lines using a marker to make them easier to carve. Place your rubber mat on a self-healing cutting mat for safety and precision. Using your K1 craft knife or number 20360 carving gouges, begin carving along the outline. If you're using a craft knife, make diagonal cuts on both sides of the lines to create a wedge. This allows you to remove the rubber cleanly. With carving gouges, use a firm, controlled grip and slowly glide the tool along the lines to carve them out. Continue carving along all the outlines. Don't forget to carve out those small, intricate details. Those make your design pop. Once the outline is done, start removing the excess rubber around your design. Use the same techniques as before, just take it slow and steady to avoid cutting into your design. Prep your paint or ink. You can use acrylic paint, ink pads, or any stamp-friendly medium. Use a rubber roller, brayer, or paint roller for even application. Make a test print by pressing paper firmly onto your stamp. Notice any extra lines or areas that shouldn't be there. No problem. Just go back in with your knife or gouge and make cleanup cuts. And that's it. You've made your own reusable stamp. Use it on paper, fabric, gift wrap, and more. Check out our full blog on stamp making. Like and subscribe for DIY inspiration and crafting ideas.